Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy, and today I'm just going to show you guys how to wear your wig the second time, like how I can install a wig which I installed before and the second time. So you guys saw how the lace was before, right? So now you can see how it looks now that I reinstalled it. So if you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share this video, and also don't forget to click the post notification so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Also check my other videos on how to install. So I'm going to link a video how I installed this same wig the first time. So yeah, so let's get started. Alright guys, so at this point you must have done your ball cap method. I have a detailed video which I'm going to link up how to do your ball cap method. Position the lace on her forehead the right way, and then you use your bold hold active hair adhesive, and then put 3 layers. I always do 3 layers on her forehead. Make sure you spread it very well on her hairline. Actually, sorry, this will not destroy it. It's not going to destroy her hairline. And then you lay the wig carefully. You know you already cut the lace, so make sure you lay it carefully where it's supposed to be. So because of the fact that we actually I cut the lace before, I'll have to put it in front so that I can actually cut the extra lace. You know, when you bleach hair, it always makes the hair on the frontal fall off. So the front part, the hair on the frontal actually fell off. So I had to actually cut the extra part of the lace. So just keep on watching so you see what I'm saying. And also ignore the fact that the lace is lighter than her skin. We are going to fix that as the video runs. Sure. Your install would not be perfect if you don't have a hot comb. So this hot comb, I just use it to take out the hair from her forehead, so I see what I'm doing, like see, so that I can see clearly what I'm doing. So after using the hot comb, I will have to use hand dryer to press the lace. Make sure that the glue dries off, like melts really down on her forehead. And I'll tie my elastic band now so that the lace can lay flat. Like I said before, I actually placed the lace a little bit further away from her hairline because I needed to cut off the extra lace which was damaged from the first install. So make sure you take your time and cut it in a zigzag. You can use your eyebrow razor, or maybe you cut it with the scissors, but in a zigzag manner, following her hairline. So like I said, ignore the fact that her frontal is a little bit lighter than her skin. I'm going to use hair spray, hair tint to actually correct that. Now I'm taking out the baby hairs and I'm going to spray the hair tint just after the baby hair, then tie it down, put her under the dryer. You can see how natural it is, and the color of the lace is now perfect and it matches her skin due to the hair tint. So I'll go ahead and do her baby hairs and then use my hand dryer again to dry it, and then go ahead to define her curls. Just keep on watching. So to define her curls also, I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner and water. I sprayed water on her hair and then use the Cantu leave-in conditioner, then proceed with styling her hair because she wanted a high pony. Just watch as we are going. Actually, this wig is a custom made wig which she got from me, and she has had it for like 3 or 4 months or 5 months, like that. I don't know. So, if you are in the US, you want me to make a wig for you, you can buy your hair from AliExpress and then send it to me in China, and I'll make it and send it to you. Or you just order the wig. Check out my IG, Stacy Benz Wigs, Stacy underscore Benz underscore Wigs, for more details. So she wanted a high pony. Since it's a frontal, we will need to hide the tracks underneath, behind her head, on the back of her head. So we use the pins to hide the lace, hide the tracks behind, to make it look natural. I always do this all the time. Some people think it was a 360. No, it's not. You can do a high pony also with a frontal. So just use maybe your pins to hide the back part, and then you hold your ponytail depending on how you want it. So she wanted me to style it high pony and also do 2 strands in front, leave 2 strands in front, and voila, you can see how beautiful it looks. Let me know what you want to see next, and yeah, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and guys, please like this video, okay, so that others can see. YouTube can push these videos so that others can see that I'm giving you guys the tea, okay. Please do like the video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My business page is Stacy underscore Benz underscore Weeks. And also, if you like to also follow me on my personal page, check out Stacy Banks, and also follow me for my dailies on my Snapchat, Stacy Banks. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.